Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's go over the markets. Um, well, we had additional selling today, guys. So additional selling. The Dow was down, S&P was down, and the Russell was also down. All right. So just remember, we've got selling in the markets. All right. So let me get the correct screen here. Hold on. All right, here we are. All right, guys. So the Dow was down 251 points. Nasdaq was down at 225. S&P 49, and the rest was up slightly. All right, slightly. All right. Let's go over the Dow. So the Dow broke support, near-term support, guys. All right. So near-term support was broken today by the Dow. All right. That's not good. All right. The NASDAQ, right, still falling. Look at this here. This is the NASDAQ, guys, right? Still moving down. Lots of selling, right? So we've got every single day, right? This week, down days. All right. So we'll see what the market does tomorrow, but expect additional selling. All right. Here is the Russell. All right. So look here, lots of selling there, guys, in the Russell. All right. Now the Russell is holding an important support area right here. Look for the Russell to break through that support and move lower. All right. Let's take a look at the big picture. All right. VIX is at 20. All right. VIX is at 20. All right. All right, big picture on the Dow. All right, so here, all right, the Dow gave a sell signal, guys. All right, so sell signal right here to close that long trade, red candles right here. All right, and a sell signal. All right, so it's a big deal. That's a very, very big deal. All right, very, very big deal. All right, so we're going to move. Support is now right down here. Support. All right, so we look for. All right, let's bring this here. All right, so we've got resistance here now. Support, right? That's right here. Support. So we look to go down back to support. That's on the Dow. NASDAQ, same thing. Big red candle here. Hey, Betty, welcome. All right, welcome, Betty. All right, so sell signal came in, guys, this week. Red candle, that's not good, like almost similar to this, right? Right, red candle, broke support, red candle, same thing here. Broke support, red candle, sell signal by our systems. All right, support is down here. All right, so lots of selling in the market. All right, resistance is here, right about here. So we're heading down to support. Okay, so we should be out of stocks, out of equities if you're trading the way we trade. All right. All right. On the S&P, same thing. All right. On the S&P, same thing. So sell signal here by our systems. All right. Broke support right here. Red candles, sell signal. All right. So you guys see what's happening here. Dow, sell signal. All right. Red candles, getting in the markdown phase. Same thing. NASDAQ, sell signal. Red candles. Right. S&P, same thing. All right. Russell, right here on a big support. Boy, it's holding that big support right here. All right. We can anticipate a move lower. All right. We could get some buy-in to come in, but don't expect a lot. All right, don't expect a lot. All right, okay. Dollar still holding. Let's remove this. All right. On the dollar index, we do have support right below here. Let's do this. All right. So nothing going on with the dollar right now. About 3 weeks of consolidation right here. All right. All right. Okay. Let's take a look at current positions in Forex, in Monster Scalp for Forex. All right. Hey, Solomon, welcome. Welcome, Solomon. All right. All right. Oh, by the way, great trades. We had some great trades today. Somewhat choppy with US 30, but we certainly put in that new time frame to work. Okay. All right. Aussie, New Zealand. Aussie, New Zealand. Long in Monster Scalper. Okay. So buy signal here, right? A great buy signal retraced. All right, we have resistance here, but guess what? Green candles are coming in here. All right, so we'll continue to hold it. Hopefully, we can break through that resistance there. All right, so Aussie, New Zealand, Pound, New Zealand. All right, buy signal here. Holding, right? It's got some white candles here. If you guys want to close it, that's fine. All right, but we'll hold it for now. Pound New Zealand. Euro New Zealand, buy signal here. Good trade going here. All green candles, nothing to do. I'm sorry, Euro NOK. Euro NOK, buy signal here. I'm holding fine. Euro SEK. All right, EUR SEK. All right, buy signal here. Holding nicely. We have support right here. Previous support is resistance right here. All green candles, right? Nothing to do there. Okay. Euro pound. Euro pound. We'll close that trade. Buy signal here. Red candle came in today. So close that trade. All right. All right. So Euro pound, close that trade, guys. Euro pound. All right. So Euro pound, close that trade in Monster Scalper. All right. HKD JPY, that's your Hong Kong yen, finally broke resistance, guys. Look at that. Right. It had been consolidating here. All right. A long consolidation finally broke out. Right. So we're waiting for a breakout. Finally broke out on this buy signal here. All right, we can remove this now. And we have a trend line going here. All right, so, all right, nice upward trend line right here. Green candles here holding. HKD JPY. USD JPY, same thing, almost identical. Buy signal here broke out today. And our trend line, very choppy trading here with the yen pairs here. All right, but so just be careful. All right, all right. No shorts in either systems, Monster Scalper or Dominator, Forex Dominator. Okay, so just longs. Forex Dominator. Let's take a look at those positions. All right, so long positions, Swiss yen. All right, Swiss yen. Previous trade, really good previous trade. We had a second buy signal right here, still holding a bit of a pullback, purple support and resistance. So keep an eye on that. All right, Euro yen. Euro yen. All right, good upward trend line Buy signal right on this break of resistance, a bit of a pullback holding. We need that to break through resistance here and move higher. All right. HKDJPY, buy signal is here. That's continuing to move higher, just following that markup phase. How many pips is that? That's for about 700 pips so far, guys. All right. So nice trade going here with HKD JPY, and it's getting past the high right here. All right. This is where it closed. So good resistance here, and it's getting past that resistance. All right. SGD JPY. All right. Same thing here. Buy signal is here, and this one is breaking out. All right. This is for about what's that? About 400 pips. All right. Buy signal right here, and here it is breaking that resistance right there. We can go ahead and remove this. Nice upward trend line here. Right. Nice, smooth, taking its time, but it's slowly going higher. Dollar CAD, USD, CAD, all right, buy signal was a bit of a pullback, right, moving higher. We do have resistance right here, so let's bring in that resistance, all right, right above, let's say right above here, all right, breaking through resistance now, okay. USD MXN, buy signal was here. We are entered about right here, holding so far. Really good markdown phase, guys. Euro pound, buy signal is here. That's holding. All right, keep an eye on that one here. We've got resistance here. All right. So support, 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 resistance here. Right. We just need that to break out. We do have a buy signal. Now, with Monster Scalper, all right, Forex dominator traders, use your time frames, your smaller time frames, okay? All right, to get some intraday swings, all right? So these markets still consolidating, all right? So bring in your smaller time frames, all right? No shorts. Let's take a look at Monster Futures. So crude oil trade is still holding there. I need to, I'll check to see if that data, that looks like it's been there for a while. So we'll check on that data there for crude oil. I don't know if that contract expired. Gold buy signal is here. That's still holding. And VIX, all right. VIX right here, volatility holding right here. All right. All right. Equities. So Stock Boss and Bull Master. Let's take a quick look at Stock Boss over here. All right. All right. So 16 today. And Stock Boss Bull Master 11. So not a lot, not surprising. Remember, markets are down. So we're not adding anything. All right. Just taking a look. Sectors. All right. Let's see here. All right. Sectors are still down, guys. All right. So this is real estate. I know we look at this every evening, but right, just what it is. Right. Biotech. Right. Home builders. All right. All down, heavily down. All right. Utilities. All right. Basic materials. So gold, silver. All right. Gold here Gold has a buy signal there. All right. Where is silver? Silver is moving lower. Industrials, consumer staples, healthcare, all down, all down. Tech, look at this. Breaking support here. All right. Consumer discretionary, right? And communication services. Okay. So as we go through these stocks, just keep that in mind. Okay. All right. Okay. So HMY, that's still holding. Buy signal here, that's still holding. Basic materials. Get a white candle on that. Just close it. SWN, that's energy. That's holding fairly well here. We have resistance right up here. TAL, that's communication services. Buy signal is here. It's holding. We have a high right here, getting past that area. AV, PT, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback. That's holding. That's technology. All right. That's in Stock Boss. Bullmaster. All right. CRS, buy signal is here. That's holding. That's technology. All right. KTOS. All right. I'm surprised these technology stocks are holding a little. All right. KTOS, buy signal is here. That's holding above resistance here. AEO, communication services, buy signal here, moving higher, looking to break through resistance here. All right. What's that? 1, 2, 4 days of prices moving higher there, higher lows. Okay. GPS, buy signal is here, nice gap up, moving well there. We have an area. If you want to call this a target, we don't do targets, but if you want to call this a target, all right, this could be a target here. Buy signal here. All right. And what was that? 1179 trading at 1307. The high up here, which I guess you can call that not a strong resistance, but resistance, 1520 there. Okay. So GPS, that's fine. ESTE, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback. I'm still holding though. We have a decent trend line and it's holding that trend line right now. Okay. All right. All right. All right. HPK, buy signal here. A pullback a bit. Energy, and just holding. All right. MRO, all right. Buy signal here, pullback. That's energy. White candles, guys, on any of these, just close the trade. All right. Don't take a chance. All right. All right. A large percentage of these stocks will follow the overall bearish market. So any white candles, close the trade. All right. SM right here. That's energy. We got a white candle here. All right. So buy signal was right on the break of this resistance here. All right. At 43. Close today at 40. Close the trade. All right. All right. We don't want this to happen here. It hasn't given a sell signal yet by the system. Okay. But white candle here. Close the trade. All right. So SM. All right, close that. If anyone is in it, all right, close that trade. All right. Curious to see what Bitcoin did today. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. Cryptos have been moving lately. All right. So Bitcoin here in cryptos monster. All right. Big break right on the weekly candle right here. You guys see that right here. Here it is on the daily. So buy signal came in at 28,000 and change, 581. Trading here at 34,000. A bit of a pullback. made a high of a few days ago of what's that, 34,900, and now it's at 34,215. Okay, so nothing to do here, right? No support and resistance lines, but it's starting to consolidate a little bit. Well, we'll see. We'll see what it does. Okay, but they're holding the price high. They're holding that high. Okay, so we'll see what it does. Now, Litecoin, right? Have an early buy signal here. Bitcoin Cash, right? Buy signal here, hasn't moved up as high as Bitcoin. Ethereum, buy signal here, and that's moving higher. But Bitcoin has the biggest move, and most of the coins will follow Bitcoin move. Okay, all right. US 30 right here. Um, US 30, still a bit bearish, right? Broke through that support. Now it was rocky. It was very, very choppy trading right here. All of this here on the smaller time frames, very, very, very choppy. Okay. Um, let's see. I think we send out a long trade. All right. We send out a long trade here, right? This long trade, and this on the 1 minute. All right, so we're trading the US 30 now, guys, on the smaller time frames. Okay, so 1, 5, 15, 30, 60, smaller. But this was a great trade here. And then this was fine. This was a bit choppy, and then look here, just nothing for the rest of the day here. So we'll see. We had news came out, and but we'll see what happens tomorrow. Okay. All right. So we're becoming more active, and that's good, right? That's good. We are changing a bit, right? We're becoming more active. We're being forced to trade some of the smaller time frames because, right, things have been consolidating. All right. So adversity is always good, right? In the midst of it, it's not, but um, right, it tests you and you kind of figure things out. So it's really nice. We've had traders had a lot of success, especially Dean with the smaller time frames. So a lot of you guys have been asking for the smaller time frames to trade it. So we have that here now. Also with Monster Scalper too. Okay, so let's take a look at Monster Scalper, and let's see if we can find some trades. All right, so Monster Scalper, look at that consolidation, guys. 25, we have 25 pairs above 20. All right, so this is our opportunity here, right? Very limited. And look at all of the pairs right down here that are in red and consolidating tightly. Okay, so we're definitely consolidating. So just be careful. You see here, all this right here, pound yen, that's consolidating. Okay, so use the smaller time frames, right? We have it also for Monster Scalper. If I know we're still missing traders that haven't done your upgrade, all right, so get with me so we can add this to your system, right? The smaller time frames. Okay, let's go through this quickly. I don't think we have any trade. We added a few last night, so let's see if we can add a few more. I'm not expecting a lot though. Okay, so longs. Let's see here, longs. Aussie, New Zealand, we're still in that trade. All right, Aussie, New Zealand here. Okay, long. That's a short. Keep an eye on New Zealand CAD, guys. We have white candles here on the daily, so that's good. We have green candles here. We just need a buy signal here. All right, green candles coming in, markdown phase. All right, accumulation. All right, we just need price to move higher, get a buy signal on New Zealand CAD. Okay. Dollar yen. We added dollar yen last night. That's looking good here. All right, buy signal here, moving up nicely there. With any of these, you guys can look for opportunities also on the smaller time frames. SGD JPY. All right, let's go ahead. We should add this here. All right, daily time frame looks good. A lot of buying there. I know it's moving up slowly, but that's sometimes good. Right? At least it's moving up. And then it's breaking resistance right here. So buy signal here. Here is the resistance. And here it is right here. Nice big candle. So we'll add this. So SGD JPY. Long in monster scalper. All right. Now, if this is under 240. All right. So if we bring in your time frame, let's see if we can find. All right. SGD JPY right here. The 30-minute. Let's see the 30. All right, here it is. Here's a good opportunity here on the 30-minute. All right, buy signal here. All right, buy signal here. And here it is moving up nicely on the 30-minute. You can even bring in a trend line, a small trend line right here. All right, so not a bad setup here. All right, on the 30-minute time frame. Let's see if we can find anything on the 15-minute time frame here. All right, even on the 50-minute buy signal here, right? So these time frames will help you guys, especially those of you who like quicker moves. All right, so nice upward trend line, green candles, buy signal came in right here on a break of this resistance. All right, so this is the way you want to work these. All right, so buy signal right here, and that's moving up nicely. And weekly is bullish, daily bullish, 240 bullish, right? 60, 30, 15, every single time frame is bullish. That's what we want. Okay, so we're trading the overall move. Okay, as an example, guys, as an example. All right, let's go back here. All right, so SGD JPY, we'll go ahead and add that. Be very selective. All right. HKD JPY, we're in that one already. All right. And you can do the same thing here. All right. HKD JPY. Let's go here. HKD JPY. Nothing here. All right. So no buy signals. They're all failing. So nothing there. Just move on to the next. But we'll hold it on the 240 for now. Nothing here. Nothing here. The dollar pairs are all over the place. No direction. It has totally come to a stop the last 3 weeks. All right. Dollar CAD is really the only one here. All right. All right. EURSEK, we send that out already. We're in that one there. Nothing here. EURNOK, we're in that one already. Nothing here. EURNOK. Let's see if we can find on the smaller time frames. Nothing there. Oh my God, look at that. Complete mess. All right, look at this. All right, so just be careful, guys. Look at this consolidation here. All right, even with the smaller time frames with this one, there you just can't. There's nothing to trade there. Okay. All right, so just be careful. So Forex is consolidating. Okay. So on the short side, hold on the short side, 25 here also. Let's see Forex dominator 29. So that's consolidating also. All right. So just be careful, guys. Again, use your smaller time frames. Just be careful. And with equities, be careful. I've been saying we might get a bounce. I've been saying, hey, we could get a bounce in equities, and we're not getting that, guys. We're not getting a bounce. All right. We haven't gotten a bounce all week. Right. Every time buyers come in, sellers come back in, and we've been closing low. I think we might have had one day so far where we were up, barely up. All right. So just be aware of that. And the important thing to remember is that we have sell signals. We have to take these sell signals seriously. Okay. And I know even if you guys don't trade, not a lot of our traders trade Forex and futures, right? And we have traders that trade, our stock systems too. But even if you do not trade equities, right? This is important, all right, especially for our futures traders, right? US 30. This is right. We should be looking for short opportunities, all right, short opportunities. We'll get those long trades, right, intraday. But boy, look at that. Look at that price action here on the Dow, NASDAQ, and they're giving sell signals, sell exit signals, okay? All right, so NASDAQ, big candle. This is the first week, right, where we've got big candle, red candle, sell signal happened this week. All right, so that's the story for this week. All right, and boy, all right, if I was a betting man, I would say, all right, this Russell here will break. All right, this looks like it really wants to break through support and move a lot lower. Okay, this area here is a big area. And look at the last time, right? It failed. Okay, so here we are right here. All right. All right, guys. Okay. I will see you guys on Sunday for our next evening class. Our traders, monster traders, will have our roundtable tomorrow, and beginning traders, right? Make sure you come to our beginning traders webinar and trading systems webinar on Saturday. All right. All right, guys. Take care. Have a great weekend. All right. See you guys later. Take care. Thanks for coming. Bye bye.